What's up, YouTube? What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome to my kitchen. Guess what? It is Tuesday. Oh my goodness, I just thought about it. Could this be a Taco Tuesday? But guess what? It's an egg roll Tuesday. It's like a taco in the egg roll. It's called a Southwestern egg roll. And guys, that's what we're going to make here. Welcome to my channel. If you want to be a member on the We Lit level, $1.99 a month, guys. It's in the description below. Go check, click on that. You become a member. Get some exclusive videos and extra more fun time. Okay, let's get started. I got my grease on here. I'm just going to pour this about maybe 2 tablespoons of grease in there. Not a whole lot of grease. Because guess what? We're using some chicken tenders. Got some chicken tenders right here. Let me move this out the way. We're using these chicken tenders. I want to dry them off real quick. I got my kitchen shears that I hide because they think they're scissors, but they're not. I lost a lot of kitchen shears because people thinking that they're scissors, and they're not. So, to me, this is an easy way to cut meat. I'm not going to cut them too big, too small, but we're going to get these cut up, because guess what? This is our protein. This is our protein for our egg roll. We're using some chicken tenders, and I'm going to saute them. I got the grease going. We're just going to cut them up, and you're going to need some spinach, some corn, some black beans, some egg rolls, taco seasoning, and your cheese of choice. I choose to use Mexican cheese. You can use any type of blended cheese you want. You can use a Kobe Jack cheese, a shredded cheese, mozzarella cheese, whatever cheese that floats your boat in your kitchen for you and your family. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. And so basically, letting that grease get hot. I need to hurry up and cut them. Chicken already been cleaned, guys, and rinsed off and everything. Kitchen shears, you can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong with these. You just can't. I love them. They're better than a knife. Okay, move that out the way, cameraman. Sit that right there. Now, what are we gonna do? Let's season our meat. A little bit of garlic powder. I love garlic powder, not garlic salt. Got the cabinet open here. Let's see. Some onion powder. I'm not going to use too much salt because guess what? I'm not using no salt at all because I'm using taco seasoning. But I still like to put a little bit of something on my meat, right, guys? Are you ready? So taco seasoning is to bring the flavor, but when you bite into your meat, you want your meat to still be flavorful. So don't use big seasoning salt because seasoning salt is salty. But I did use a little bit garlic, pepper, and stuff like that just for the meat because I want my meat to be flavorful. This is a one-pan dish. Everything goes in here. Once you cook it, take the chicken out. If you got any extra grease in your pan, go ahead, dump the grease out. Put your chicken back in, and then everything's going to go in here one time. We're going to mix it all up. But until then, let's get this chicken cooking. And you can make as much as you want. Remember, this is for you and your family. So we're going to let that chicken saute. Wash this red bowl out. And when that chicken gets done, we're going to come back. We're going to add in what I use: frozen spinach, frozen corn. Yes. Quick, easy, one pot. As far as mixing, but you got to have a pan for grease to cook those egg rolls. We'll be back. Okay, guys, look at my chicken tenders. They're nice and done. Drained a little bit of that grease off of there, but it really wasn't that much. You don't even like a tablespoon of grease to trying to open up these tacos. I think I need a knife. Open these tacos. I can't. I'm not someone over. I'm not strong. It's like they're hard to open. Thank you. There we go. A whole bag of taco. I use the original taco season. It don't have to be name brand, you know. Whatever you use. Ooh, look at that. It smells so good. Stir that right on up on that chicken. Now, you can use onions. Remember, it's your kitchen, it's your way. Use what you want. I don't want no onions and stuff in mine. So if you want onions, you can. Now, look at that. Now, I'm going in with frozen spinach, frozen corn. I let my spinach and corn thaw out. Then I'm putting up in here. Look at that. Now you can use fresh spinach, but you're gonna have to. It's gonna work now. But I think this recipe is so simple. It's so easy. Go ahead in with your frozen. And while that's sauteing down, guess what? Throw in your black beans. Drain the juice off of them. I'm only gonna use a half a can. Look at that. You can eat this just like this. Look at that. Can't you? That looking good. Southwestern Southwestern taco. You might go with this on the taco. It might go good on a taco. Let me go in a little more candy beans. That's it. Okay. Before we add the cheese, we're gonna let all this simmer up together. I'm gonna give me a nice spoon to stir it up with, because stirring up with those tongues just ain't making it. Hand me a spoon over there somewhere. I don't know. There you go. Wooden spoon. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna get the taco seasoning. Look at that. That looks pretty by itself. And it's going in what? An egg roll. We're gonna let this simmer for a good like 5 to 10 minutes. And then at the end, you're gonna add in your choice of cheese. And it's gonna be gooey. And I'm making a mess as usual. Trying to stir stuff up. I'm trying to get all that taco flavor. Look at that. That just looks like pretty by itself. Okay. Let this do its thing. And when we come back, I'm going to add the cheese, get that grease hot. We're going to show you how to put together the egg roll and cook it. Okay, guys, for about 10 minutes. And you go in with your cheese. Again, I use Mexican cheese. You could use shredded cheese, Kobe Jack cheese, about maybe a cup. You know, it's up to you. You want to be able to stir it up. And as soon as the cheese melt, get all up in there, nice and gooey, because it's going to be gooey. Look at the cheese melting already. Look how I'm sticking it all together. Look at that. I'm going to a little bit more cheese. A little bit more cheese. So when you bite into that egg roll, you got your little something, something, something. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. All right. This is ready. Again, they're going to be making the mess now. Since this is ready, I got my grease. Look at that. I want this thing on a medium. And I'm letting it cook. But look at that. It's nice and cheesy and gooey. That's just how you want it. That's what's going in your egg roll. Want that grit? You're probably going to love this Southwestern egg roll. Look at that. All right, that's ready. This is what? This is a cutoff. So Squad, I got my egg rolls here. I got my grease on. Anybody seen me make egg rolls before? It's like a diamond. Look at that. I done messed my diamond up already. But that's some all this extra stuff they had on there. I do it like a diamond, just like this. You want to take your water and you want to wet it around the edges. Some people use egg wash. I use water to seal mine. It's quick and it's easy. We're going to do a couple of them on camera for you guys. Remember, shape like a diamond. Shape like a diamond. And just do your water just like this. And then you're going to take this filling. Look at this cheesy. God, it's goodness. Look at that filling. You don't want to overstuff it. I'm not going to overstuff it. This is going to make a lot of, there you go. Just using my spoon, a spoon and a half. Right like in the corner. And you're just going to pull this up. You're going to do just like that. You're going to roll it once. And you're going to pull it in. You're going to pull it in. And you're just going to fold it like an envelope. Look, that easy. Set it to the side. Let me show you again. Shaped like a diamond. I don't know why they got all this extra stuff on here. Use my water. And while you're doing this, have that grease on. Because you want that grease hot. At least 350. Take your hand. Do your water. Onto the side. And you want to say, this is going to make a lot of egg rolls. Because you don't overly stuff that cheesy goodness. Just about right there. Look at that. You're going to pull it down. You're going to do like that. You're going to roll it. You're going to fold it in. You're going to fold it in. And you're going to roll it. Just like that. Look at that. That's your egg roll. And you're going to set them just like that. Y'all want to do another one? For everybody who didn't get it. There we go. You got your diamond. Take your water, just the edges. I know I go a little bit inside because I want to make sure. And my grease is over there hot. When I drop my egg roll, I want it to sizzle. The pan I'm using, I only can do about 2 egg rolls at a time. But if you use a larger pan, you probably could do maybe 3. I wouldn't do more than 3 at a time in my pan. Look at that. Look at that Southwest goodness. Look at that. Look at that. It's like they're getting cheese. You can smell the cheese and stuff. Look at that filling. You just want to tip it to the top. Ooh, sometimes they'll do that. Roll it. Then you want to pull it in. You want to, ooh, that might like want to act up. And you want to pull it in. And you want to roll. Look at that. Let's look at this grease. Now, I usually check my grease by sprinkling flour. So cameraman, stand back. And I don't have my wooden spoon. Now, I want my grease a little bit hotter. Because when that egg roll go in, I want it to really, really sizzle. It's not hot enough. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to make some more egg rolls. And we're going to come back and drop this. About 3 more minutes. Okay, guys, as you can tell, I did 6. But look at all this stuff, all this filling I got. My son tasted it. He was like, oh my God, that thing tastes like crack. I don't know what that means. That means that's something good. I told you guys once before, but we know crack is whack. We don't do that. I love myself. Okay, my grease is hot. I'm only doing 2. Look at that. And let it cook. When it floats to the top, they're going to be done. Now, since this is like a Southwestern, so you guys grab your guacamole. Grab your sour cream. Put it in those dishes. Stack your stuff. Break it. Put it on top. Bite. You think you got a taco in the egg roll. Let's look at that. Looking good, my brother. They turn to golden brown. When they turn golden brown, oh, what I need to do? Michael Millicent, give me a aluminum pan. I said the governmental tambourine. Give me a what's that thing called? Aluminum pan, please. I said it's government job. Now y'all come after me, cause I said it's government on camera. We gonna let those cook. I'm gonna get my aluminum pan. Yeah, if we come back, we're going to see some golden brown goodness. Look at that, y'all. My son told me, you burnt it. You burnt it. I did not burn those things. Look at that. They look perfect. Golden brown. Let's go in with 2 more. Yes, I ain't burned it. There go that. He always hollering, you burnt it. You burnt it. Can't cook worth a damn. But I'm always burning something. Look at those. Yes. Ooh, they hot too. Came out good. You want some of those egg rolls? This Southwest. What's this? Southwestern Southwestern egg rolls. Since you think I burned it, I'm gonna let the other ones be a little bit lighter than this, cameraman. So guys, we come back, all 6 gonna be done, and we're gonna plate. Okay guys, look at the egg rolls. I think they came out perfect. I have a whole lot, a half a pan of this mix left. Make more egg rolls. You know I am, right? Okay. Let's see what we're working with this Western egg roll. Look at that. Look at the chicken and the meat. Look at that. The Western egg roll. You can't go wrong. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be what? Notified. Come become a member. But you get extra exclusive videos like this. My flour is available. It's that time of season. Seasoning. That time of season. It's rush season, guys. But guess what? I just made Southwestern egg rolls. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm out.